this guy will go here. So that guy goes here. This one goes here. See, this usually makes it so much better. I say usually because sometimes you get a little confused like I was a second there. But after you're no longer confused, man, does it go a lot easier. Expansion port. We got this here. This here. I didn't do too good of a job of spacing them out on this one. Plus there's just so bloody many. I don't think there's anything I could have ever done. To truly get it. Ironically, looks like they chose two short screws for the monitor. Almost there. This is the fun part. See, I was hoping to work on somebody's website. Nope. Ain't gonna happen. Make sure it's all nice and tight. It's kind of scary that right there is the motherboard exposed in the battery compartment. Just a little bit of black insulation. Not touching that one. That one's bad enough. Okay. Drive cover, hard drive, starting to look like a laptop, isn't it? Can you believe it? Only, what, 4 hours ago? It was looking like this. If you ever wonder why laptop repairs are so expensive, this is why. I ought to send this video to the guy I'm working this on and tell him, hey, your computer took this long, but I'm only going to charge you 2 hours. Because I try to be fair and honest and whatnot, but this one's one of those that's being a little hard to do that with. Yeah. It's taken me how long to reassemble this thing? And there we go. One reassembled Compaq R3000. Let's plug her up. Man, the people on YouTube are going to go freaking nuts. Charging like on. We'll let that sit for a few. In the meantime, I will clean up my work area some. Reason for that is to let it build up any heat. Any electrical connections that are going to break immediately are going to break right now. Just the current going through it, juicing it up. It's going to shoot some sparks out. I want to do it now before I turn it on and risk damaging components more. Put my solder away. Not paper. I'm thinking Arby's. If you haven't had the toasted subs at Arby's, I recommend them. They are actually pretty darn good. Believe it or not. Thinking like I was thinking, hey, you're getting a sub at a fast food restaurant. Can't be good. To my surprise, it was very good. And furthermore, I actually got a coupon off that cup I just showed you for another sub, which I will gladly go back and get it. If it was 10 p.m. I would earlier I would go over there and pick one up. Apparently, they close at 10. So let me move the tools away. Open up the panel. And yes, I am standing back from it because I have seen these suckers shoot out sparks.